How to swap coins on Uniswap. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your browser, then search for Uniswap, and after that open up Uniswap. This is where it will take you. Now click on this option of launch app at the top right hand side corner, and here it will take you. Now connect your wallet at the top right hand side corner. Select the chain of your choice where you want to swap this particular token. Suppose I want to swap it on Arbitrum. I will just select Arbitrum. Now it will ask me to switch my network to Arbitrum on MetaMask. Now switch the network. After that, this is how it will appear. Now select the token of your choice that you want to use for this particular conversion, and select the coin at the bottom that you want to be in your wallet after conversion. Suppose I want to get USDC, and then just type the amount that you want to swap, and after that click on this option of swap, and this way just accept this particular transaction and you would be able to swap the token on Uniswap. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.